In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Google Analytics. This walkthrough is for Google Analytics 4, also called GA4. Changing the language can make the menus, labels, and settings much easier to navigate, especially if you are sharing access with a team that prefers a different language. The change is made in your personal user preferences, so it applies to your login, not necessarily to everyone else on the account. First, open Google Analytics in your browser, and make sure you are on the Analytics home screen. This is the main starting page where you can see an overview of reports and recent activity. If you manage multiple properties or accounts, take a moment to confirm you are signed in to the correct one before you continue. Next, look down to the bottom left corner of the Google Analytics interface and click Admin. It is the gear icon, and it takes you into the area where account and property settings live. Once Admin opens, stay on the account side of the page, since the language setting is tied to your user preferences. Now find and click My Preferences. This opens your user settings page. This section controls personal settings such as language, and it is the right place to adjust how the analytics interface is displayed for you. Inside My Preferences, locate the language setting. You will usually see the current language displayed, such as English, United States. Click directly on the current language to open the drop-down menu. Then select the language you want to use. When you choose a new option, make sure it is highlighted as your selection, so you can confirm you picked the correct one. After selecting your preferred language, save the change. Look for the option to save changes on the page, and click it so the new language preference is applied to your account. If the interface does not update immediately, there is a simple fix. Sign out of Google Analytics, then sign back in. In some cases, refreshing the browser tab can also help, but logging out and back in is the most reliable way to force the interface to reload with your new language setting. Once you are back in, you should see the GA4 menus and labels displayed in the language you selected. That covers everything you need to know.